But at an important moment of your life, you stopped trying and accepted defeat. I failed as a father there. I mean, you had got married newly, and business opportunities were not grabbed by you in a right way. Do you feel I'm lying? Come, come, come. Ask her. I used to speak about you with her for hours. But once Simmi came in your life, then everything just stopped. You stopped dreaming. She broke your confidence by always insulting you and putting you down. We were knowing it, but we were not able to do anything. Even now I feel it. Janaki and I supported each other for our whole life. But we have never seen someone behave like Simmi. And when the time came that you used to take her side, and I used to see that, I used to feel very angry and furious.
I'm sorry, Papa. I have given you that much pain.
No, what happened has happened, it's over. But today I have called you here not to complain to you, but to praise you. Due to you, Simmi's real face was exposed in front of Yash. One moment.
Ben?
It's a token of appreciation from me. I am sure that you will use it well.
Thank you, Papa. I remember my school days. I mean, I used to stand first in the class and used to come with my report card to you. And you used to praise me a lot at that time. Thank you.
Papa. Papa, I want to speak with you. Papa, please. Papa, please forgive me. I acted very wrongly. I realized that everyone at home is very stressed because of my behavior. I'm sorry, Papa.
Use what I gave you properly.
Yes, Papa.
Make use of opportunities very well.
Thank you. Thank you.
Satyajit. Satyajit, you please tell Papa. Papa will listen to you. Tell him that I was wrong and please forgive me.
Papa? Papa, do you have that song? I just went ahead along with my life. Huh?
Hey! I have 3.
What? And what about that? It would be a big favor
I have
of you
all
on
the
me.
songs.
Papa, I want to sit again with you and listen
Come
to the
anytime.
songs.
Come here whenever you feel like hearing it and then sit along with me.
Is it okay with you?
Why not?
Thank you, Papa. Thank you. Papa.
Brother Pikachu.
He is downstairs. Go and find him downstairs.
Are you going out somewhere?
No.
Then why are you packing your bag? Are you crying? Are you going to London along with friend?
I'm sorry, Pari. Darling, I'm so sorry. I behaved very wrongly with you.
Wrong? What's wrong in this? You felt like leaving and you packed your bags. Why are you apologizing me? What happened, Grandma Simmi?
Pari darling, I didn't pack the bag to go along with Yash.
Then?
I'm leaving this house.
Why?
No one in this house likes me. No one speaks or behaves properly with me. No one wants me. I am lonely. Everyone is making me feel lonely.
I'll miss you. I'll miss you a lot. This color looks very good on you.
Mom!
What happened? Slowly.
Mom, you don't like Grandma Simmi?
Why are you saying that?
No one likes her. Even you. That's why she is leaving, right?
Leaving the house?
Yes, she is feeling very bad. No one is speaking to her. I feel that she was crying while talking to me. Mom, is she really bad? Mom, tell me, don't you also like her?
It's not like that, dear.
Then why is no one speaking with her? You are also not speaking.
I'm not speaking now doesn't mean that I won't ever speak with her.
Then why is she leaving the house?
She would have said that in anger. You wait here, I'll be back.
What happened? If you're here to express your anger, then go ahead. Speak what's there in your heart, Neha.
Why are you doing this, Aunt? Why are you doing this drama?
What did I do?
What did you do? You are doing this to show that you are in pain and you are feeling so bad. Why are you doing all this? Yesh forgave you even after all that happened, right, Aunt? The family members understood your side and didn't let you get punished. Aunt, everyone gave you a chance just because you have changed. And what are you doing? Why are you doing this drama? And that too in front of whom? Pari? You are crying in front of such a small girl? Do you know she felt so bad that she came crying in front of me? Why are you doing all this? Why are you faking tears in front of her?
I didn't fake these tears in front of her. I felt like crying and she came here at that time. Neha, I have really changed. Believe me. And if I really wanted to do drama, then I would have gathered everyone downstairs by creating a scene. They would have come. They would have come to listen to me. Neha, the thing is that before this, I was bad. I was wrong. I was stubborn. Because of that, the people of this house didn't used to speak to me. But now they don't have any reason to not speak with me or insult me badly. No one speaks with me when I am in front of them. And when I'm in front of them, they just started ignoring me. What is all this? No, tell me something. You took my side and explained to Yash and made him forgive me. And you brought me back into this family as a member of this family and an important part of this family, right? Then tell me, am I here? Am I really here or not? In this family, in this palace?
Why are you saying this, Aunt? Did someone say anything to you?
Yes. I mean, it was fine if someone had said something. But today I went to say sorry to Papa. He and Satyajit were behaving there as if I was not there in front of them. This is not their mistake. I deserve it. It is the result of my sins. So I'll have to bear all of that. I don't know if anyone from this family will punish me, and that's why I will only punish myself.
Aunt, you please don't take a decision in a hurry. We will sit and talk later.
Now there is nothing left to talk about this, Neha.
Aunt,
Oh wow, is there upma in the breakfast today? But which upma is less spicy one? Hey, Neha eats spicy one, right? So which one is Neha's dish? Why are you doing this? Didn't sister tell you about it? Where are you guys lost?
good morning, Aunt.
Good morning. Look at him. He's so confused. He doesn't know which is my breakfast. I also don't know.
Aunt, this is your plate. Less spicy one.
All right.
And this is mine.
Hey, what is this? You will eat only this much?
Aunt, I'm not hungry.
All right. So you are staying hungry since Yash is not here. Hey, did he take your smile along with him while going to London?
Don't speak nonsense, Aunt.
Hey, what are you saying? Why does your eyes look so swollen, Neha? I can see dark circles too. Hey, did you not sleep well at night?
Yes, Aunt.
But did he call you or not?
Yes, he called in the morning. I spoke with him.
That's why you are not hungry. It seems your hunger has died after talking to him. Hey, but if Yash calls you now, then give him my one message. He is on a business trip there, so he has Sameer along with him, right? And Sameer knows everything about business. So he will handle everything there. Tell Yash to come back here within a day or two. We need him here to take care of our daughter-in-law. Hey, you have lost your sleep and your hunger too. How will that work?
Aunt, if we tell him that, then he will drop everything and come back and do the meetings from home.
Yes, you are right.
It's Aunt Simmy's call. Yes, Aunt. Tell me.
Hi. How is everything at home? Is everything all right? How is my Pikachu?
Yes, Aunt. Everything is good here. Are you fine there? What happened? Why are you sitting on the floor? Are there no chairs?
It's nothing. Actually, I'm not used to all of this. I will get used to it slowly.
Aunt, why are you stressing yourself? Here, no one has told you anything.
That's the problem, Neha. That no one is saying anything. Anyways, let it be. I don't want to talk on this now. Actually, I wanted a little help. I wanted a favor from you.
What is it, Aunt?
I'm very hungry. do one thing. Tell me a very simple breakfast recipe, okay?
Aunt, I will bring it.
No, please. No, please, no. Otherwise, everyone feel at home that I'm acting again. Shall I speak the truth? I have lost something important. Everyone's trust. I want to repent for my sins. I will have to win the trust of people I betrayed.
Aunt, alright then. I will tell you how to make instant semolina dosa now.
Are there semolina dosas too? Oh, great. Tell me.
Do you have semolina?
Semolina. Let me check. Oh, semolina. Oh, yes. Yes, I got it.
Aunt, did you fall down?
Here.
Aunt, that is salt. We need semolina.
Oh my goodness. Okay, done. So, Neha, I will make it, okay? Thank you so much. Huh? Bye.
Okay, Aunt.
Oh.
Look at how Aunt is behaving. She refused when I asked to cook for her. So I will manage it.
Let it be, Neha. Let her do it if she's saying it.
Yes, but I'm worried for her. She's not used to of it, Aunt. How will she do it? Shall I quickly make breakfast for her? Yes?
Do as you seem fit. See you then.
Okay.
Huh?
I'll be back.
Neha. Where are you going in a hurry? And what is there in this plate?
It's a breakfast.
For whom?
Grandpa, that for Aunt Simmi. She's hungry and she didn't know what to cook in a hurry. So I thought that I will...
Did she ask you to bring breakfast?
No. She didn't say anything. I'm only taking it.
Why? Look, Neha. It's her decision to go and stay in the outhouse. So let her manage whatever she wants to do there. Why should we take trouble for her? I don't agree with this.
Grandpa...
She should learn a lesson.
Grandpa, one moment. I'm speaking the truth. She has really not made a mistake. I'm worried for her, that's why...
But if that's the case, then you should explain it. Look, Neha, I recognize Simmi very well. That's why I'm telling you not to make this mistake. If you ever start helping her for small things, then she won't realize her mistake.
Grandpa, you are right, but I feel that if someone stays hungry in our palace, then it doesn't look good. Isn't it?
I don't know if humans can change due to something else. But hunger can change the soul of a person. If Simmi should realize a mistake, then maybe fasting can be useful.
Grandpa, but
If you don't want to listen to me, then why should I listen to you? Ask her and see. Let's see if she understands. If I tell her my way, then she will understand.
Grandpa, no. I won't go.
Fine.
Neha, I have prepared the dish as you have told me. Yes, I tempered the dish, then I put onions in that, and then did everything else too. I have to make dal. Yes.